Thank you for joining us on Colo 8 News Now. I'm Taylor Burke. In our top story this evening, Congresswoman Susie Lee is looking to round out the Nevada school system with legislation to help students in and out of the classroom. I have more on what's already passed and the new bill being introduced.
We all want to make sure that our children have economic security, that they have a pathway to employment.
Congresswoman Susie Lee with Nevada's 3rd District recently received nearly $10 million in funding to help youth with disabilities.
Parents of young people with disabilities have an additional worry to make sure that these students are getting the types of jobs that they can perform, that they can have the self-dignity and self-respect, and more important, the economic security.
For individuals with disabilities between the ages of 10 to 24, the funding will help integrate them by giving them better options for career exploration, work-based learning opportunities, and increased exposure to post-secondary opportunities.
They will be given a pathway to be fully employed, compensated at or above minimum wage, receiving the same level of benefits as the employees without disabilities in those similar positions, and at a location where the employee interacts with individuals without disabilities.
For the first 3 years, this legislation will act as a pilot program in Carson City, Humboldt County, and White Pine School District before expanding to Washoe and Clark County.
It's about the self-respect and dignity of going to work and earning a wage.
Recognizing that not all children have an equal playing field when it comes to education, Lee just introduced the Community School Expansion Act in hopes of breaking down the barriers for students in poverty.
Whether you're talking about mental health, medical needs, even school, even food, but also mentoring and youth development, and then providing them, helping them make up for lost credits, especially when they're in high school.
If passed, the Expansion Act aims to give kids a connection because, according to Lee, students are more likely to stay in school when they have a sense of belonging.
Provides these students who, their families couldn't afford the $40 a month to take the dance lessons or, to buy the uniform on your soccer team.